guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're gonna do another Halloween makeup tutorial. I was planning to do something really different. I just changed it like 10 minutes ago. Halloween makeup look that we were gonna do today, it was gonna be more work, more elaborated and more things, more detailed. So I was like, you know what, let's do something, you guys, that it's gonna be quicker but cute, something that you can do really quick in case you have a nothing planned or just for like a Halloween party and you want to just, you know, do a cute Halloween simple quick makeup tutorial. So that's what we're gonna do today. You guys know that before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new over here. You guys know that for these Halloween makeup looks, we just put music, we do voiceover and just enjoy. So let's get started. So of course we're going to start off with a primer, and I decided to go with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer because this makeup has to last very long. I don't know if you guys are going to go to a party or trick-or-treating, but we're going to also go with this BBB cream from One Side. This is, you guys know this from Patrick Star, and I really like this combo with the e.l.f. Power Grip. I'll talk about it I think on TikTok, I don't know, but I have to show it to you guys because the skin looks so beautiful. So right now I'm just blending out this BB cream, also applying it on my chest, so of course it matches the face, but I decided to make this face pale. I don't know, I feel like it's gonna look much better than your if the skin is like the actual skin tone, because it is the Lady of the Moon or the black moon. I don't know how we called it this makeup, this Halloween makeup, but I'm gonna go after with my eyebrows and of course go with my favorite product, which is the Fill and Fluff eyebrow and the NYX brow gel that I'm running out of it. I need to buy these two again, and then I also use another one which I run out. It's the one from NYX, also with the pencil is very thin. I don't remember the name, but I'm just gonna do my eyebrows and I'm gonna make them darker, more exaggerated, because I mean it's a Halloween makeup. I don't do my eyebrows like this dark and harsh, but this is what we're gonna do for this Halloween makeup tutorial. Now the first palette we're going to use is Beauty Creation with Luis Torres, and I'm going to go with Shine AF. I'm going to go and apply it on my crease. I just thought it was a good idea to add it because it has small glitters and it looks so cute. So I'm doing this on the crease, but at the end I didn't really like how it looked. I mean, you can do it, but I would not prefer to do it. I just show it to you guys in case you liked it. Now I'm gonna go with the ColourPop and Limoncello palette. This is such a beautiful palette. I need to do something with this in a reel, but I'm grabbing La Festa, which is this blue, and just basically going over Shine AF to cover a little bit. But because I apply Shine AF all the way to my brow bone, not covering of course that part because I wanted to have some, you know, glitter, some shiny on that area. Now you guys can see I'm going at the side of my face, adding this blue, trying to blend it, make sense with whatever is coming out of this blue outside of the eyes. Now I'm gonna go with the 16-hour Camo Concealer. I should have done this before because you guys can see like on the other side of my face it's blue already. So yeah, definitely do the concealer before doing or applying this blue. Now I'm doing the same thing on the other side. And here I'm just blending the blue, just make it more sense. I feel like I'm kind of contouring, but also applying some highlighter. Now I'm gonna go with the Wet n Wild Care Bears, and I'm just adding this extra blue, just to give another touch of blue, something different. But basically everything, the makeup, it's gonna be black and blue. Now I'm concentrating this blue on the lid and also on the inner corners of the eyes. Now I'm gonna go with the Tres Luces palette, the I Am palette, and go with Divina, which is such a beautiful color. And I'm gonna use it and apply it on my brow bone to have some pop of shine. And then I'm gonna go again with Beauty Creation and Luis Torres and grab this Best Blue Ever, which is the best blue ever. It's such a beautiful blue. I think we're gonna play also with that eyeshadow and do a reel or something, because it's such a beautiful blue. So just applying this on the eyes, but also on the outside part of the face, just to have this darker blue. Now I'm gonna go with ColourPop and Harry Potter, and I'm gonna grab Forbidden Forest, but at the end I didn't really like how it looked, so I went with Ravenclaw, which is also such a beautiful blue. I also have to do something with that, but I'm just adding this on my lid so it has extra shimmer on the eyes. Applying some mascara with Physician Formula, prepping and getting ready those lashes before the falsies. Now I'm gonna use these to contour my nose. This is from the Physician Formula face palette. I'm using it non-stop. I really like it, and just of course blending the contour of the nose. So after finishing contouring the face, I'm gonna go with the lashes, and I'm gonna go with these. These are very dramatic, and I wanted to add these because I feel like everything is blue, so nothing basically is gonna cover those lashes. So then I'm gonna add the Tres Luces mascara. You guys know I love it for my lower lashes. This product makes my lower lashes look very long. So after the mascara, which is definitely matches our makeup of today, I'm gonna go with the e.l.f. eyeliner and just do like a small wing to, you know, go with this makeup. I feel like it had to have something like this. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild eyeliner, and then applying it underneath the eyes. I know it's gonna make the eyes a little bit harsh, which is basically what I want, because this is a lady in the night, a lady in the dark. So I'm now making this kind of lines, which is like the branches that we have in the back, but I wanted to add something extra. I'm just going with the flow, nothing planned, and I just feel like I wanted something with black, but also cute. I feel like it's cute. Now I'm adding these small stars also with the e.l.f. eyeliner, and basically I'm just gonna add this on this, like three or four stars on one side of my face and then on the other. Now I went back with the Wet n Wild Care Bears palette, and I'm using the blue eyeshadow just to basically color my lips in blue. But then I remembered that I had this
blue paint, so that's what I did for my lips. And then after that, I decided that there was not this, I feel like it was too light, the blue that I chose, so I went again with the Ravenclaw eyeshadow from ColourPop and Harry Potter, and I smudge it so the lip doesn't look perfect. Then also with the elf eyeliner, I decided to do a moon and some stars, and basically that's it for this Halloween makeup look. I wanted to do something cute, very simple, something that you guys can also do it by yourself without too much thinking about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.